Hello and welcome back again to my Scribus tutorials. Um, while you were gone, I messed around with the document a bit. I added my own chapter numbers, chapter 1 and chapter 2 right here. So, it's starting to look more like a book, hopefully. So let's go and take away our regular viewing mode and make it it's something we can look at for print. This is a preview mode. So you can look at it and, see how things are going. It's looking good, but not good enough, perhaps. It looks more like a script. So let's change things. Let's turn that back off so we can see the guides and the margins. And we're going to beautify things a bit. And to do that, we could either, change things by simply highlighting the text, and going to properties, text, and changing things right here. We can make it bigger, smaller, or change the way it looks, change it, change the font, narrow, rounded, whatever you want, But, that's not, it's hard to do that once you have around 100 pages, so what you can do instead is to mess around with paragraph styles. And how we do that exactly is to go into styles in the edit panel right here. You can also use F3, but I'd rather go do it manually for you guys to see. So now we're given this style window, a style manager, and we have line styles, paragraph styles, character styles respectively. We're only going to mess with paragraph styles for now. It's one of the most basic. So what we have as of now is a default paragraph style here. And we want to make a new one because we want to change the way our chapter title and our chapter number look like. So what we're going to do is go to paragraph styles, create a new one for paragraph style, and we're going to name it so that we don't get confused. Chapter number and title. Right? Good to go. Now that's our new paragraph style, so we can apply to that. We can change the way it looks. Alright, so let's use Avenir. Make it a bit bigger, maybe 24. Well, I don't know, book. And we can change the way it looks. The space in between letters is 3. And many other settings. We can mess with that some other time. So we apply that, and that's our new style. And just so we don't need to highlight anything, we'll just select the whole text box. We right click, no, we don't right click. We go to the window again, properties, and we just put text, go to text, go to style settings, change the paragraph style to the chapter, number, and title. And bam, that's what happens. You have a whole, chapter title and chapter number that looks better than it was before. We can also change the spacing if we'd like, and the alignment, but we'll do that next time. So we can go down, in fact, and check on chapter 2. And it's the same thing, easy as pie. Text, style, chapter number, and title. So you don't need to think too much about every single number and go back to every single number and cross-reference the other number in order to get the same font, same size, same alignment. You can just do it in advance using paragraph styles. It makes it a lot easier. What else can we do with this? Now you'll see that some books, some magazines, have, the first letter enlarged. Here, let's say the L, the really large L, And you could do the same here by making it a lot larger, like that. But it takes very long, and you have to do it one by one for each starting paragraph. So we can just bring it back to 12, right there, as it was before. Take this away for a while, and we can use something called drop caps, and it also works with the paragraph style. So we go to styles again, we create something new, right? New paragraph style, and we can change that to drop cap paragraph, and we can go back to properties, and you'll have something here called drop caps. So we turn that on. We can make it possibly maybe just one line, and we can, or maybe 2 lines. Yeah, that'll be the size of the drop cap, which means a big letter somewhere there. Let's just do that. Um, just follow the style. We do have a lot bigger, perhaps, drop cap there. Apply. Then we go to the first paragraph right here. Then we can apply this style we've created using properties yet again. Drop cap. Now, I made a mistake there, but the basic is there. The basic thing is there. You've used a paragraph style to easily style your entire document without having to go through things one by one. So as you can see, everything has been converted to my liking, except for the size, of course. I just wanted this to be big, but you know, I made a mistake. But anyway, you got the idea. We've changed both the chapter title and the chapter number to something nice in an easy way, and we've applied a drop cap right here. So let's do the next two here. It's not quite a paragraph, so maybe we'll just delete this here. And here. Now we can just apply the paragraph style again. Here, drop cap. And we get something that's more, you know, desirable. We have a drop cap, which helps the user see the first letter of the first paragraph. And it's entirely up to you how you want to do it, but let's look at the preview now. It looks a lot better, you know, than it was a while ago. From looking like a script, I mean, this area right here looks more like a book or an article now. So it's entirely up to you how you want to do it, but I'm glad, I hope I was able to show you how to use paragraph styles effectively. And now you can go write your own book, however you want to. Thank you.